Deep time refers to a concept of geological epochs. So you as a human being, you have maybe 80, 100, if you're lucky, 115 and a half years here, right? But you're just a blink of an eye in like deep time. Why am I talking about this? I'm talking about this because almost any challenge we're having out there, be it climate change, plastic in the oceans, women's rights, interspecies rights, definitely like nuclear waste, regenerative agriculture, reforming the monetary system, right? All this takes a lot of time, right? The vast majority of these great challenges of the 21st century, we need to plan at least for the next 7 generations. As some of you might have heard, there's indigenous wisdom, indigenous traditions that are holding themselves accountable when they are sitting together and like co-creating, like let's say the next things that need to be done. They're thinking about the next 7 generations. I think we even need to think further than that. Think of nuclear waste. Think of plastic in the oceans. Think about climate change. But okay, let's start with 7 generations at least. So this means if we truly want to reform the institutions out there like the United Nations, the World Bank, the Security Council, the WTO, and a post-capitalistic system, and getting the plastic out of the oceans and stuff like that, right? We need to sit at least, like mentally, like a metaphor, we need to jump into the future at least for 250 years. So we're not in 2020, no, we're in 2270. That might sound abstract, but look at the French Revolution. It's just happened now, right? Or Columbus, right? So we need to reform, for example, the way our monetary system works from a like interest on interest rates that's like continuously demanding a return on investment, therefore like colonizing the future and creating a whole lot of externalities to build regenerative business models, also financial models, also institutional models, also jurisdictional models that hold us accountable. Because so far we're treating the future like a bitch, right? We're treating like the unborn generations like we as Europeans did colonize South America or like North America or Southeast Asia or Australia. Like we're treating the unborn generations like slaves, like a bitch, like I said it. So we need to take into account deep time. How can you have a felt experience of deep time? Well, I would say certainly through meditation, binaural beats, which is like enhanced meditation via technical means. Certainly also through like playfulness, right? There are a lot of exercises where you can invite that. And definitely also with psychedelics. So especially psychedelics, when you combine them with a contemplative or meditative practice, will give you the possibility to have a visceral understanding of like epochs, of eons, of like deep time. And I think we need to start building rituals to implement deep time as a felt sense for us within culture, but also before that internally, to then create the institutions out there that will govern, hopefully, humanity in a thriving environment for the like centuries and millennia to come.